Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into an exciting new topic in our Flask series. In our last video, we covered user login in Flask, setting up a secure and functional authentication system for your web applications. If you missed that, be sure to check it out. Link is given in the description below. In today's video, we will explore how to create a seamless and user-friendly navigation system in Flask, ensuring your users can easily find their way around your site. We will cover the basics of routing, creating navigation links, and even adding some dynamic features to enhance the user experience. Whether you are building a small personal project or a large web application, good navigation is key to keeping your users engaged. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. And if you find this content helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it. Alright, let's jump into the code. First, we will set up our base template, which is index.html. So our navigation bar should be above any content. So we will start from here. Let's remove this for now. Now create a navigation tab. So let's create a list. Let's give it a link tag and give it a link URL. URL for is used to navigate in your Flask application. Main.com. Give it a name. Home. We similarly create others. We have login and registration, and we also need for one for logout. Let's and login. And this be capital because our home function starts in capital letter. Registration. Logout. Let's check this registration. I don't know. I'm not sure. It's just register. Let's check. Let's go to home. Now let's add some CSS. Let's give some padding. We don't need this dot. It is a tag, not class. We are going to put it in the right side, so it is right. And top. Let's delete it. Let's have some margin on the right. And let's add a decoration on the link. First, let's just check this. Let's add a hovering effect also. Add backdrop filter. Keep it blur. Box shadow. Let's add a color. border, and let's keep it solid. So let's check it. So now go to index.html. We need to add some conditions here. If user is authenticated, then let's show a user. So let's paste it here, and we don't need this. And we are going to show our current username. So cool. And let's add else. We are showing this current username, and we don't need this too. So we will end if here. And when user is logged in, then we also need this logout so that user can log out. But we don't need logout when user is not signed in. This is done. So let's check. It is not showing logout or any username. So just let us check when login. It is showing the username admin and logout, not login and register. Now let's add what happens when we are in the register page. So now let's add what happens when we are in the register page. Let's add a class here. Class will be added in the condition that it is active at the time. If URL name is register, then active. Let's add CSS. So go to index.css. Let's add CSS. So let's copy this for now. Now go to routes. We need to pass URL name. Register. Let's check. Now let's add some CSS there. And background color. And add another color for our text. So we see the change in there. Let's check it. You see here, register has been changed. Now let's do this in others also. Go to index.html. Let's copy this and add this in login also. And in home, login. Now go to routes. Let's copy this. Login. And for home. So now let's here and go to your home page. When I go to login, previously we have not shown these flash messages in our templates. So let's go in index.html and work out for this pop-up class pop-up. So these are going to be our pop-up messages. To show this pop-up, we need to add a script. Whenever flash message is sent from your backend, then it will catch it. So let's check our message. So whenever our message is sent from backend, then we need to transform it into a JSON. So let's go to login. Let's inspect. So we are getting a message here. Danger, login successful. So now we need to pass this message. We have already cached these messages. Now we need to show these messages. Create a function to show these messages. So we are identifying way to show messages by ID. So we are adding a class so that we can change the color of the background according to our message. And we need to add one other thing. We want to fade out our pop-up after some time. So let's add some CSS. So we are adding our pop-up at the right bottom. So we now pop up with success. Then we will show a different color. Sub type error. Login successful. Let's say username and password. So let's add some padding there. So we have completed our navigation bar and flash messages. So in our next video, we are going to upload image. So stick with us. Thank you for watching.